and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. A wallet address associated with the hacker that stole over $235 million from Indian crypto exchange WazirX has just moved $6.5 million worth of funds through the sanctioned crypto mixer Tornado Cash. In a September 3rd exposed blockchain security platform, Cyrus shared that the hacker had transferred 2,600 Ether worth $6.5 million at current prices to Tornado Cash in a bid to launder the stolen funds. Beginning on September 2nd, the wallet address held a total of $6.7 million but now has just $154,000 after the hacker made 26 separate transfers of 100 ETH to Tornado Cash in just 1 hour, according to data from crypto tracking platform DBank. It comes as WazirX announced that it had begun allowing users to withdraw up to 66% of their Indian rupee token balances from the exchange nearly 1 week before the withdrawal window was scheduled to be open. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, has announced that the SunPump meme token community has now decided to implement a 100% on-chain buyback and burn process. According to Sun's post on X, the decision follows a community decision that moved away from previous intentions to burn liquidity pool tokens. The initial suggestions to burn LP tokens was inspired by practices witnessed by other mainstream meme tokens like Shiba Inu, which was considered advantageous. Sun explained the advantages of LP token burning, which enables the increase of token liquidity depth while allowing the burned liquidity to remain usable and more regulator-friendly. Due to complexities of LP token burning, Sun believes the new implementation of a 100% on-chain buyback and burn process could offer a better approach. Cryptocurrency phishing attacks surged by over 215% in August, driven partly by a significant single attack resulting in losses exceeding $55 million. Crypto phishing attacks involve hackers sharing fraudulent links with victims to steal sensitive information such as crypto wallet private keys. Crypto phishing attacks cost the industry over $66 million in August, according to a September 3rd exposed by Scam Sniffer. Phishing attacks are becoming increasingly common in the crypto space. In May, a trader lost $71 million worth of crypto in a year's most high-profile phishing attack. The attacker tricked the trader into sending 99% of their funds to the attacker's address. The majority of the stolen value in August was attributed to a single large-scale phishing attack worth $55 million. Crypto derivatives trading platform Vega protocol has proposed retiring its blockchain and ceasing official support for its native token Vega. In an August 30th blog post, Vega said the proposal was put forward in a bid to focus on the development and promotion of the protocol's software and usher in the launch of a new project called Nebula. Vega said Nebula would be a full retail decentralized exchange with committed liquidity built on the Vega platform. Nebula will have its own NEB token, and Vega token holder are being offered the opportunity to swap Vega for this new token, wrote Vega. The official Vega governance proposal outlined that the specific actions contained within the proposal would suspend trading, redistribute the on-chain treasury to stakers, and provide guaranteed USDT incentives to validators to keep the network operating for the next 2 months, allowing users to withdraw funds from the Vega DEX. HDFC Bank has introduced new digital banking features for UPI and CBDC to enhance customer convenience, security, and accessibility. Announced at the Global FinTech Fest 2024 in Mumbai, these innovations were developed in partnership with fintech companies like CreditPay, Tontag, and PayU. The new offerings include UPI Circle delegate payment, personalized UPI experiences, and user-level programmable CBDC. Parag Rao, HDFC Bank's group head, highlighted that these advancements reflect the bank's commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions, continuing its strategy of collaborating with fintech partners to develop tailored digital solutions. SushiSwap has launched DOGE, a memecoin platform developed with goat trading to address common issues like price dumps and predatory trading. DOGE uses Sushi V3's narrow-range liquidity and sets a higher initial market cap of $15,000 to deter snipers. Operating on the base chain, it also offers protections against bot-driven manipulations. The launch boosted SushiSwap's token price by 7.34%. Despite this, the broader memecoin market faces oversaturation and scams, with only a small fraction of tokens achieving significant market value. The Tron blockchain recently hit a milestone with 1 billion completed transactions, half of which occurred in the last 3 months. This surge was driven by projects like NotCoin, DOGE, and the launch of the USDT stablecoin on its network. However, Tron faced challenges, including 2 outages caused by the DOGE token airdrop, leading to congestion and requiring a chain restart to restore consensus. The total value logged in decentralized finance is currently $82.2 billion, with Ethereum dominating 57.24% of that, totaling $47.01 billion. Despite facing competition, Ethereum remains the leader in DeFi, supported by major protocols like Lido, Aave, and Uniswap. Tron ranks second with an $8.11 billion TVL driven by applications like JustLend, while Solana holds the third spot with $4.78 billion supported by protocols like Jito and Jupiter. Despite some declines in top DeFi protocols, Ethereum's dominance continues, with Tron and Solana gaining ground, indicating a diversifying DeFi landscape. The Indian Institute of Management Lucknow's Enterprise Incubation Center has launched a Center of Excellence in Blockchain Technology supported by the government of Uttar Pradesh under its Start in UP policy. This initiative aims to create and nurture 100 blockchain startups over the next 5 years. In partnership with Microsoft India, the center will establish 3 outreach centers in Gorakhpur, Lucknow, and Greater Noida Meerut to promote blockchain innovation. The program will offer mentorship, industry connections, VC funding, and specialized training to support startups and aspiring entrepreneurs in blockchain technology. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has recently dropped below $59,000, signaling a potential buying opportunity. However, data from crypto quant analyst CryptoLick reveals that stablecoin inflows into exchanges are near all-time low levels, suggesting investor caution and a lack of confidence in the market's recovery. Typically, investors move stablecoins into exchanges to buy assets like Bitcoin during dips, but the current low inflows indicate that many believe that downturn may not be over. Despite a slight 0.5% increase, Bitcoin remains down 8.5% over the past week, trading around $59,156. That's all this bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3 TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3wazirx.io or scan the QR code.